Friday and doing the Merwaves campaign, the Awakening campaign with Abby and the team, which was amazing. I haven't washed my hair and I've had a full weekend in London with my sewing girls and I cannot wait to wash this. I've had to top it up and add to it each day, so I'm gonna show you what it's like. So I'm going in the shower and I keep all of my products in the shower. The shampoo, conditioner 1 and 2. I keep the wave cream, the mousse and the protect gel, because you get the best results if you put this on when your hair is absolutely soaking wet. I always comb through after number 2, so that I get rid of the excess hair that's most probably built up into my hair, because don't forget I haven't washed my hair since Friday. We're what, Monday now, so there will be a build up of hair that is going to come out and shred, so I can comb it through, give my head a good massage and things, and then I will add everything to my hair in the shower. So I'll go in with the wave cream, the mousse and then the protect. The only addition that I will have in the shower is one of these brushes. So I'll put my head forward and then I'll brush my hair with my head forward and then start scrunching up, and I've got a microfiber towel in my bathroom. I'm getting my bathroom redesigned soon and it's just going to have the shelves ready for these to fit on, because who wouldn't want these on display all the time? I absolutely love the packaging. So I shall come back once I've done that. So I'm out the shower and I've got changed, obviously, put a bit of makeup on, getting ready for work, and I'm just going to use this action to encourage those waves to come into your hair. Now I've got a combination on my hair, so I've got waves on the top, but I do have a few coils at the bottom, but I find that Merwaves definitely works better for my hair. I think because it's that way around, it just works basically. So I'm going to start drying and I'll show you how I will leave it. So if you invest in your wash day, you'll get like a couple of days out of it. Obviously, well, I get up to a week. With being away and doing different things, mine definitely needed washing today, which was less than a week. Being in London is a feat in itself when you don't live there. So anyway, I'm going to start drying it now. So ideally, I would have liked to have spent a little bit longer, but I'm a hairdresser and I've got a client in about 5 minutes, so I need to go. My salon's in my back garden. But basically, I've put some of the Protect Gel number 5, and then I mix it up with number 4, and then I'll mix that up a little bit. So it's quite dry, but not totally dry. And then I just scrunch this in, and then I know I'm just going to leave it air dry now whilst I do my client's hair for a couple of hours, and then I'll come back and finish it. So I've used my Bellissimo hairdryer on the highest speed and heat setting to dry as far as I've got now, and then I'll just let these products work in. I love making a little cocktail with these. It really makes a difference. Adds a little bit more crunch at the end, but it helps maintain longer. Or in my experience, it does anyway. So I'll come back in about a couple of hours. And when I say invest time in your wash day, I don't mean you've got to sit there for hours to do this. I'm going to be doing a couple of cuts and colours and stuff now and then come back, but you could be doing whatever you wanted to do whilst your hair is drying. So I've been at work, I've let this dry off for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours now, and you can see the waves are amazing in it. And there's 2 different ways of doing waves when you're drying it, which I've come to realise that, because I like mine the bigger and the better and the bouncier, but you can create a soft waves more like Abby's, because obviously some of us don't like it. Mine, the bigger the better, I like. So if you're wanting it to be big like mine, you're going to go in with your diffuser and you're going to lift right up to your root, and that'll give you the root lift and make it bigger. And if you want it like Abby's, which is obviously hard for me to do because it's not one length, but if you want it not quite as voluminous, you're going to hover with your diffuser, so you're just going to hover over it, set it, and then let it air dry. Then once you've done that, obviously you can still do what I'm doing now. So I think mine is relatively, it's almost dry now. So now it's dry, I'll go in with the oil, and it hardly needs any of it at all really. You just need a little drop onto your hands, emulsify it into your hands first, don't put it straight onto your hair so it coats your hands, and then I just bend forward, I rub it into my scalp first all the time using this motion, and that'll help scrunch the crunch so that it doesn't look, some people say that they don't like it if you can feel, you know, the product still in the hair. So they would be, so the starter kit and my oil would be in my shopping basket straight away. Also the refresh spray would be there too for in the morning, but I also sometimes do that mixture of the number 4 and number 5 if it goes, if I feel like it needs refreshing a little bit more, I do it with that. So I would have gone in now with the beautiful hair perfume to help with the frizz, and it's got an anti-frizz agent in it, but I've just been away with my girlfriends. There's 9 of us, 3 with wavy hair and the 4th for the bottle that I had. So I think one's took it and the others are ordering it, so I haven't got any. I need to order it myself now, and I just love it. Really, really gorgeous. What I wanted to add though is, even if you have wavy hair and you don't want to embrace your waves, obviously it's not for everybody, this product will still help you sort of keep your hair really nice and nourished and just refreshed. Even in the salon, if I've got clients that are not going to do it, I use it on them. So it works whether you want to embrace your waves or not. So you've got nothing to lose. So if you haven't tried Merwaves, now's the time to try and see what you think. But if you've got any questions or anything like that, I'm at the end of the DM and I will help you as much as I possibly can. If there's any tutorials you'd like to see, let me know and I'll add them. And I'm here to help. I have never ever looked back now. I get more compliments about my hair now than I've ever had in my life, really. And it's took me 30 years to embrace these waves, and honestly, I'm not going back.